Hello! Today we are going to introduce you to a very important accessory for your Ford F-150 Lightning. Something you cannot purchase from the factory, but that could save you thousands or tens of thousands of dollars. Welcome back to E-Hermes, your electric adventure travel channel. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that bell button to be notified of our upcoming content. As our regular viewers know, E-Hermes has both a Tesla Model Y and a Ford F-150 Lightning that we use for our road trip adventures. Both vehicles have front-facing and rear-facing cameras for driver assistance, self-parking, etc. However, the Tesla's camera also operates as a dash cam. It has a thumb drive in the glove box that records information from the front camera and several other cameras as well. While the Ford F-150 Lightning does have a front-facing camera, it does not have any way to use that as a dash cam. This can be extremely important, as I found out a few months ago. I was driving home from Florida to Ohio when a dump truck cut in front of me, hit a bump, and a bunch of gravel came off its tailgate and struck the Tesla, damaging the windshield, the roof box I had on at the time, and some of the front fascia. I contacted the trucking company and told them what had happened, and they said, "We're not responsible for items that are thrown from the road," which in Ohio is true. However, it was not thrown from the road, it came from the truck. They denied this. I downloaded the dash cam footage, sent it to them, sent them the estimates for the repairs, and they sent me a check. It saved me thousands of dollars. Ford's front-facing dash camera, on the other hand, has no customer accessible way to record data. However, a company called Fitcam X has come up with a dash cam that mounts just above the mirror. It's very easy to install. It is very unobtrusive when it's installed, and it looks like original equipment. Let's take a look at how we do it. Let's start by seeing what's in the box. Yay, more boxes. It says the dash cam itself is in here. Here's the mounting bracket. Here's the camera. I believe this is a rear camera. They didn't mention that, but I don't know what else it would be. And it says this is accessories. We have the wiring harness for the mirror connection. I have no idea what this is. Oh, they send you the T20 Torx and a Phillips head screwdriver. This is the longer screw that will replace the screw that holds the mirror onto the windshield now. And this is a very long cable. I don't know if this is for the rear camera or in cases where you don't have the electric at the mirror and you have to run it down the A-pillar to the fuse box. Let's go see how the installation goes. The first thing we're going to do is take the screw out that holds the mirror to the glass. I'm gonna take the mirror off, just gonna take the screw out. They send you this tool with it. It is a T20 Torx. Take the bracket, slide it over there, then take the longer screw that they send with it and start that, preferably by hand. We want to tighten it, but not crazy. That's plenty tight. Let's get the camera. So they sent me the setup for the front camera and the rear camera. Next thing we're going to do to install the front camera is take this connector off. It just squeeze the thing here with your thumb and pull. Plug the new one into the mirror. It's not that easy to see. Until it snaps in. This then has to plug into here to get the power to it. The camera then plugs in like so. And then you gotta line a little thing out. Okay. And this is, like I say, to power the rear camera. We're not gonna do that right now. We may come back to that. This simply snaps and clicks on. Oh, that's easy. And there's a little space underneath here we can put some of this wire management into. And the front camera installation is now complete. Like I said, this wire is to get routed all the way back for the rear camera. We'll do that at a separate time. I'm gonna move the camera now. So I downloaded the app onto my phone and got everything connected, and I'm looking and I'm saying, well, that's really not a very good picture. And then I realized one very important thing. There's a plastic protective film on here that has to come off. And now it is a very crisp and clear picture. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we are going to route this wire around the headliner to the back. I do now know what this tool was for. This is to allow you to pry the headliner out and get the wire back there. You must use extreme caution to avoid damage to or interference with any of the airbags in the vehicle, particularly the side canopy airbags located directly above the headliner. If you have any doubts about how to do this, please seek professional help for this portion of the installation. Just keep stuffing it in there. Okay, remove the camera now. Okay, now so far I've routed it under the headliner all the way across here. I'm halfway across the door. I'm going to turn the camera now. We're going to get it all the way back to the back window. You can see the wire hanging out right there. Okay, now I know why they sent the tool and 100 miles of wire here, because it's a pretty good route back here. We just keep stuffing this in here. And we get up here under the rubber seal. We do the same thing. And we have to come back and kind of tuck the seal. To avoid interference with the airbag, it is more accurate to say that it is laying on the rubber seal, not behind the headliner itself. And this is just getting the seal back into position. There. Okay. Now we're back here. And remove the camera again. Well, almost have it. I lost that blue stick. I really wish I had that because this one I need it. So, there you have the installation. I'm going to come back and tuck that back up in there with a little bit of better wire management. But now both cameras are installed. The data from both the dash cam and the rear camera in this case are stored on this micro SD card that you can remove, put into your computer, and download if you need the data. Once the SD card is full, it will rewrite over the most recent data. So if you experience a problem, make sure you take that out and get it off there before it gets overwritten. As you can see, the video quality is really good. The front video would probably be even better if I had washed the windshield a little bit better. Also note that there is a date and time stamp if you need that for evidence, like I did when I had the incident with the dump truck in the Tesla. If you would like to purchase your own Fitcam X for your Ford F-150 Lightning, or pretty much most other vehicles as well, please see the description below where there will be links on how you can procure it and a discount code. We hope that you found this video about the Fitcam X useful. If you did, please hit the like button. As always, please remember to subscribe and please hit that bell button to be notified for upcoming content. Thank you.